Okay guys, today we are going to grade 9. Today we are going to grade 9. I've chosen this question. I've chosen it from the previous question paper from grade 9, right? It was from Gauteng 2019 final November question paper for grade 9, right? So let's look at this question. The first question, here we are solving for x, right? Here we are solving for x. So let's start with our first question there, right? Let's start with our first question there, which says okay, so let me just write it down. It's 4.1.1, right? It says what? It says 2x plus 2 minus x minus 3 equals 5, right? So with this one, it's a linear equation because I can see that I'm not going to multiply any x and get an x squared or something like that, right? So it's a linear equation. So with linear equation, obviously, I'm going to group my x on the other side and then my number on the other side. If I need to divide, I will divide. If I need to multiply, I'll multiply, right? So let's start. So I'll start by multiplying this binomial by monomial, which is on the video for algebra, which I've uploaded, right? So it's going to be 2x, that's going to be plus 4, and then minus x plus 3 equals 5, right? So what do I have on the left hand side? I've got 2x minus x, and then on the which is going to give me what? Which is going to give me 2x minus x, going to be x, right? So on the other side, I'm going to have 5, and then this 4, when I take it to the other side, is going to be minus 4, and then this 3, when I take it to the other side, is going to also be minus 3, right? So my x will be what? 4 minus 5 minus 4, which is 1, minus 3, which is negative 2. So my x there is negative 2. We are done with the first question. Let's quickly go to the second one, right? 4.1.2. So with this one, I'm gonna remind you of something. Remember, if you are multiplying fractions, you need to understand their prime factorization, right? You have to understand the factors of the denominators, right? Every denominator, you have to understand its factors, right? Like for example, if we were to add 2 over 9 plus 1 over 3, right? So for us to add this successfully, we need to understand that the denominators can have factors. We have to understand it in the form of factors. So obviously 9 is the same as what? 9 is the same as 3 to the power of, okay, prime factors of 9 is going to be 3 squared, right? And then 3 doesn't have a factor, it's a prime number, right? So we know that I've got 3 and I've got 3 squared there. So after that, I see which number is going to be my LCD. LCD, remember what is LCD? LCD is the lowest common denominator coming